Hello everyone! I am so happy that today is the day that I get to announce the winners of our seed giveaway. This is just going to be a short and sweet video to announce the winners. I will leave directions in the video on how to go ahead and claim your prize. And make sure you stay till the very end because I have a great surprise for you guys. Without further ado, let's see who won!
Try this. What up, though? Time. When the sun is up, nobody seems to recognize the moon. And the diamonds only shining when you see some light inside it. I knew you'd take me over soon as you stepped in the room. But it's okay, love's the force of nature. She a hurricane lady, look into the eye of a storm every time, so sweet, so I call her my sugar cane baby. A man got her eating, she be on her cooking game crazy. Yeah, she a true hottie, knows if I'm not home, then I'm at the studio trying to make my music work like a new hobby. When she getting worked up, then she send me that alert like a tsunami. You got the power like a battery, yeah, I know that you can handle me, yeah. And when they're over with the flattery, she hold me down like gravity. She got love that I won't ignore, even when the mood swings like an open door. I hope for more, and they can keep the green grass, baby, cause I'm looking at the coral on the ocean floor, and that's yo. When the sun is up, nobody seems to recognize the moon, and the diamonds only shining when you see some light inside it. I knew you'd take me over soon as you stepped in the room, but it's okay, love's the force of nature. You blow me away, blow me away, you blow me away. Like the summer breeze, wait till the sunshine. You're a volcano and a tornado combined. Got me waiting on it like lunchtime, unsigned hyping. Girl, you got me hype off one line. All it took was that one time till I had to take it back. Like yo, let you unwind. She's a regular supernova, wondering just who control her. Only thing on my mind, spending all my time moving mountain just to console her. Now I'm done moving mad slow. I'm a king like Nat Cole. Girl, you won't ever need closure. Keep on pulling me closer. Baby, know your love is like a black hole. When the sun is up, nobody seems to recognize the moon, and the diamonds only shining when you see some light inside it. I knew you'd take me over soon as you stepped in the room, but it's okay, love's the force of nature. Whether or not the weather is good, she on fire, I ain't even have to give her the wood. She a rider, but she don't even live in the hood. She like designer with an ego bigger than Suge.
Alright guys, and now for the surprise. I got something in the mail the other day. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look to see what it is. I'm so excited. See if I can get it out here. Okay. Baker's Creek donated 12 packs of seeds for me to do another giveaway. So yes, we will be doing back-to-back giveaways. Make sure that you stay tuned. I'll probably put it out in the next day or two. Okay, so be sure to be looking for that. I hope you guys really liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Share my videos as much as you can. It really does help. Thanks for watching Kate in the City, you guys. I'll see you next time.